Thirikari kugerera mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura yugite ni igathite icoka ciayo bara-ini ya kuhurana ndawa cia kũrebia na nginya njohi ngananie ikiuga ndawa njikirire mukana cia muigana wa bilioni 8.2 ni irikitie kuhithukio na ati ni koretwo ikihinga kaimana thogore ya wendia wa ndawa ici nenda-ini cia kinyanĩria kuhingwo gwa nginya cienderio cia ndawa ici ni undu thirikari ikiriire. Mwaura oho augite ng'aragu iria koretwo ikihutia makiria ma Kenya milioni 3 thirikari yokorwo ikihuthira makiria ma ciringi bilioni 6 hari kunyagia irio kuri andu aria magomeirwo muno ni ng'aragu ino. Oho athite na mbere na kuga milioni ingi 778.5 ni ikuhuthika guteithiriria family itanyihire ngiri 130 iria ihutitio ni ng'aragu.
The government has shut down illegal online distribution channels, launched a nationwide crackdown on unlicensed pharmaceutical outlets, and initiated reforms towards establishment of dedicated drug courts to fast-track prosecution of high-level traffickers and offenders. The government is therefore fully prepared to support farmers to secure national food production through distribution of certified seeds, subsidized fertilizers and livestock feeds, water tracking and borehole rehabilitation. We are strengthening immediate resilience while positioning the country for improved harvest. The government urges all farmers to promptly prepare the land and plant high-yield, climate-resilient crops and adopt sustainable agricultural practices to maximize this season's opportunity.